Namba iria irandikithio o muthenya ya arwaru ma murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri yugite kumana na ururu wa ndwari ino igicunji gia 15 bari igana kia arwaru aria makwite gukinyira riu ni aria manakorwo na rugano rwa murimu wa sukari kana kubaica thakame, mirimu iria kaingi yukanagia na uritu muingi.
When people with diabetes become infected with COVID-19, then they have a higher chance of experiencing serious complications from COVID-19, and the outcomes are usually not good.
Thutha wa andu 2,053 kuthimo kwa ibinda ria mathaa 24 mabituku, andu 375 ni marwarite murimu wa COVID-19. Namba ya arwaru mothe kuma riria murimu watuthukire guku bururi-ini ikirugamira 16,643.
We tested 2,052 samples, out of which 375 turned out positive.
Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri kithiaga na mbere kuria muingi urumirire mitaratara iria ikathikitwo ya kwithema kurwara na gutamba kwa virus ino. Andu 128 ni maborete, 78 gatagati-ini kao ari ni aria mararigitagirwo mucii. Andu angiana ni makuite, namba ya ikuo ikibanda 278.
You must ensure you keep high levels of hygiene, sanitize often, wear masks around them, and most importantly, keep your social distance.
And what should be worrying us more actually is the rate at which the samples we are taking are turning positive. That is what is more worrying to us, not the increased number of cases that are dying.
Kaunti-ini ithatu iria itongoretie gukorwo na arwaru aria aingi, Nairobi, Mombasa na Kiambu, muingi ni uritio gwikirira mirire miega na kwithema maundu maria mangiiga miturire yao gwati-ini wa kurwara murimu wa COVID-19. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mercy wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.